regular at all. Um, I gotta change my purse. Morning. Regina, good morning. Yes, it is a wonderful Wednesday. So y'all gotta tell me how to. Maybe I should watch a video. How do you cut a pineapple? Did I speak to everybody? So I don't know what to do. Hmm. Yes. Oh, sometimes you do something because. But y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video. So I cut it here. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. Okay, I know I do this. I want to smell it. I want to smell it. All right. And then do I cut this? I'm gonna use a old sauerkraut jar. Say cut off the top, cut off the bottom. Okay, I was heading in the right direction. It's good though. I'm messing up dishes because you talking about this outside part right here? Boil this, boil that part. But I want to make this stuff I've been seeing on the internet. And I think it'd be a cool snack. Oh shit. Okay, so maybe I'm supposed to do it like that. Baby, I don't know. My mom would be cutting her a pineapple and it'd be like boop boop boop. And she finished. I think the core still on that piece. It's hard. Um well, apple cider vinegar, yeah, sometimes I soak them in apple cider vinegar. But I'm getting ready to do something different today though. You know how everybody doing those Kool-Aid pineapples? I'm gonna make me some, but not with Kool-Aid. Mm. Yes, boil the outside skin with cloves, ginger, and a little thyme. Boil it, strain, drink the tea from it. Okay. Yes, boil that part with some fresh ginger and hips. Okay, and I keep me a ginger root in here because I have to use that for my stomach. First, I'm gonna put a packet of Crystal Light in there instead of. I saw people was actually making like a whole like putting sugar in it, but I don't. And so I got some coconut water. Did I shake this? I gotta hurry up and get up off of here. You don't see it either, Daphne. Me either. So did we? So I'm gonna put coconut water in here instead. Cause people was actually just going to Sam's and buying the. Dude, that smells so good. Just buying the pineapples with the juice in them. and then putting making the Kool-Aid with the juice.
Cause I was just thinking about it in the song Dad at Home. When I say pour Kool-Aid on you real slow, and I kiss it all off before it hit the floor. I just thought I was motherfucking tripping. Y'all, y'all want to make me out to be like I was crazy. Now all of a sudden it's Kool-Aid fucking thing. Not everybody Kool-Aid every motherfucking thing. Kool-Aid motherfucking pineapple, Kool-Aid motherfucking bananas, Kool-Aid apples.
Something told me not to put more coconut water in there. And then I should have just stood these up like nice because now it's too much stuff in here. Y'all see? So now I don't have all that sugar. The coconut water only has 12 carbs for 8 ounces. And we didn't even do a whole 8 ounces because how many is this? Yes, we did. I did my own pineapples. See, it's like I can tell more can go in there. I want to drink it from the top, but I know I'm not gonna eat it. Taste this. Damn, that shit tastes sweet. So I used a half a packet, so that's only 2 carbs. Oh, let's see what it tastes like. I want to see what the pineapple tastes like. Y'all pray for me now. Hold on. Mmm, that pineapple's so sweet. I paid $20 for it. I didn't pay $20 because I saw that somebody was selling these somewhere. And I was like, I'm not getting ready to pay $20 for this. No. A Kool-Aid packet. And then I was like, no, I'll get Crystal Light. Period. Because like, sometimes pineapple have like a tart taste. And so when I was talking to my mom about it, she was like, well, so y'all know what? Hold on. Now my coffee tastes funny with that sweet taste in my mouth.
Bye. 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 Okay. And say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And blow a kiss. Awesome. Your turn. Say thanks for watching. Give me the blessings. And blow a kiss. I want more kiss. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, I'm about to fall down here. Okay, bye, you guys.
Hey y'all, it's me, it's me. It's fine.